ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 with roller technology. The DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI delivers superior cleaning performance thanks to its innovative roller-based mopping system, replacing traditional vibrating or dual-spinning mop systems. It also features automatic washing and hot air drying for convenience. The race in the high-end robot vacuum segment is heating up as we move into early 2025. While brands like Roborock and Dream add advanced features such as object-grabbing arms or better obstacle climbing, ECOVACS remains focused on perfecting vacuum and mopping technology for maximum cleaning efficiency. The DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI is the first robot on the market to incorporate a roller mop system with an auto-washing dock, departing from the commonly used vibrating cloth, as seen in Roborock models, and dual-spin mops, used by most brands. This roller mechanism is for deep cleaning but was previously limited to handheld mopping devices due to the size and water flow requirements that robots couldn't accommodate. ECOVACS reveals that the roller system in the X8 is inspired by handheld floor cleaners from Tineco, a sister brand under the same corporate group. To overcome the size constraints of robotic designs, the X8 features a new side-mounted LiDAR sensor, which frees up internal space to house a large roller brush. The device also features a retractable mechanism that allows the OZMO roller to reach wall edges effectively. Its specs surpass competing models, spinning at 200 RPM with a surface pressure of 4,000 PA, significantly higher than the 1,000 to 2,000 PA of models from Dyson and iRobot, which also lack auto-wash docks. The off-center roller design is similar to handheld cleaners. However, this does not hinder performance, as the robot is programmed to align its side with the wall to ensure no area is left uncleaned. To keep the roller clean during operation, ECOVACS is the first company to implement constant pressure water regeneration technology, enabling a cleaning speed of 200 times per minute for increased efficiency. In real-world tests, the X8's roller proved as effective as handheld units. It could clean sticky messes like milk, cream, or sauces in a single pass, something spin mops typically require 2 to 3 passes to achieve. The roller's thicker bristles and higher pressure make it especially effective on tough, sticky stains. Moreover, this roller system eliminates issues like mop cloths detaching, seen in older models like the X5, and doesn't get tangled with small rugs, an issue common with conventional hybrid mopping robots. The charging dock has also, while it retains a removable tray for easier cleaning, ECOVACS now offers 2 product versions, one with a built-in auto water supply and drainage system, and another with separate water tanks. Unlike previous models like the X5 or X2 where users could upgrade later, the X8 requires buyers to choose their preferred version up front. ECOVACS has also refined the side-mounted LDS sensor over 2 generations. This change flattens the top of the robot, removing the typical sensor bump seen on most budget models. While early versions like the X2 had issues with battery life and object detection, these have been resolved in later models like the X5. The non-protruding LDS design trend has since been adopted by other premium models from Roborock and Dream. The X8 also features a touch button with LED lighting, though it's considered less tactile than physical buttons, even when compared to lower-tier models like the N30 Pro OMNI. The robot comes with an anti-tangle side brush and boasts one of the strongest suction powers on the market at 18.000 PA. In most cases, medium power is sufficient, so users rarely need to use the max setting. It also includes cutting-edge features such as True Mapping 2.0 for smart mapping, Zero Tangle 2.0 anti-tangle technology, 6,400 mAh battery capacity, a revamped control plugin with a minimalist UI, making it easier to adjust settings. Support for Matter, Yeeko AI Assistant, and Siri voice control. Additional features include 3D mapping, adjustable suction and mop humidity, customizable cleaning modes, scheduling, and live home monitoring via the integrated camera. The DEEBOT X8 Pro $1,000, making it a solid value in the premium segment. ECOVACS is also preparing to launch the T80 Pro OMNI, a mid-premium model with similar roller technology, likely priced under $800. Backhand index pointing right. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Grab yours today at the best price. For more details and a purchase link, check the description section of this video. Folded hands. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the latest and most exciting updates in science and technology. Wishing you happiness and success always. See you in the next video.